Thermodynamics part 4, work done in isothermal process. Isothermal equation P is equal to constant, and dW, the work done PdV, that we know. I have taken a gas chamber in which the piston is there, so like that. So I have to find out the work expression for the work done. Work done dW is equal to integration of P dV. Now let us consider the the gas expand from initial volume V1 to V2. So limit is V1 to V2. So this is your integration of P dV V1 to V2. Now this value of P we are going to find out with the isothermal equation. PV is equal to constant. So if the PV is equal to constant, we can write it P is equal to constant, say the K by V. So put this value here. So it is K by V dV, integration of from limit V1 to V2. So that is K constant. So dV, integration of dV by V, and that is your limit is V1 to V2. Now K with log integration of dV by V is your log base E V, upper limit lower limit V1 and upper limit V2. That is your K log E V2 minus log E V1, like that, upper limit minus lower limit. Now log M minus log N is equal to log M by N. K log E V2 by V1. That is your integration, and after integration putting the value we are getting the work done. K log V2 by V1. Now in place of K, now from the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to RT for the 1 mole of gas. We know that is constant for the isothermal change also, or the process. T is also constant, R is also constant. That constant we have written the K. So in place of K, I can write the RT. So this value we are going to put it here. So that is your RT within bracket log E V2 by V1. Now base E is there. So we can change base E into base 10 by just multiplying 2.303. 2.303 R into T within bracket log E V2 by V1. Log 10. I have converted into log 10. Log E into log 10. Log base E is going to change into log base 10. How? By just multiplying 2.303, because this is the value of log base 10 of E. So that is your work done in isothermal process. Then comes the work done in adiabatic process. We know adiabatic process, the adiabatic equation PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. So again we are going to start from here. One gas chamber, piston, here say P V R initial coordinate, right? Work done we have to find out. Here dx is the displacement when the pressure or the force exerted here. We have taken 1 mole of gas. So again dW is equal to integration of P dV, right? dW is equal to integration of P dV. That we know. Now value of P we can find out from the adiabatic equation. P v to the power gamma is equal to constant, say the k. So in place of p we can write the k, p is equal to k by v to the power gamma. Put this value here, k by v to the power gamma dv integration, right? So I have taken the initial volume is v1 and final volume v2. So the limit we are putting v1 to v2. So integration of dw is equal to integration of k by v to the power gamma dv, v1 to v2. So this I can write it here. So w is equal to k integration of this v to the power gamma, we are taking it up, so v to the power minus gamma dv, v1 to v2, that is equal to k. So integration of this is v to the power minus gamma plus 1 by x to the power n का फॉर्म है, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, so minus gamma plus 1, v1 to v2. So take out this in the out of the bracket, so k by 1 minus gamma within bracket v to the power minus gamma plus 1, v1 to v2. This we can write it in this manner. Now k by 1 minus gamma, put the upper limit, v2 minus gamma plus 1 minus v1 minus gamma plus 1, or take the key k here. So 1 by 1 minus gamma, k I am taking it inside, k v2 minus gamma plus 1 minus k v1 minus gamma plus 1. Now we know that P v to the power gamma is still constant, that is the equation of isothermal adiabatic. So we can write P1 v1 to the power gamma is equal to P2 v2 to the power gamma is equal to constant k. ऐसा हम लोग लिख सकते हैं. Now put this particular value of k in this equation which we got. So W is equal to work done 1 by 1 minus gamma. First one we are writing P2 v2 to the power gamma, P2 v2 to the power gamma into v2 to the power minus gamma plus 1. यही था ना. k के जगह हम P2 v2 to the power gamma पुट किए, v2 to the power minus gamma plus 1 तो था ही. This similarly minus for the second quantity we are writing P1 v1 to the power gamma, v1 to the power minus gamma plus 1. Now just to see, base is same, so powers are added. So 1 by 1 minus gamma. So P2 v2 to the power gamma minus gamma plus 1 means plus minus cancel. So v2 ultimately क्या हो गया? Only one, that is v2 minus. Similarly P1 v1, right? Base same, powers added. Base same, powers added. That you are getting W. This is the one form, first form of the work done. Now by using the gas equation, we know P1 V1 is equal to R T1. Similarly, P2 V2 is equal to R T2. That we know. So put this particular value in this equation. So another form we are getting 1 by 1 minus gamma within bracket P2 V2. In place of P2 V2 we are writing R T2 minus P1 V1 we are writing R T1 is equal to R constant R by 1 minus gamma T2 minus T1. R we can write gamma minus 1, take out minus common, here also minus common, then ultimately what happens with T1 minus T2. That is another form of work done, expression for the work done in adiabatic process. Okay, so all the things are clear. In work done, work expression for the work done in adiabatic process, we are using this particular process, the same dW. We are integrating it by using the PV to the power gamma, that is the equation of the adiabatic process, and ultimately we are getting it here. W is equal to R by gamma minus 1 within bracket T1 minus T2.